want to add a background color to it. We're adding a background color. Then we want to make the background color to be, let's say, let's say I'm trying to look for a color that we can actually see. Okay, let's use bisque. Okay, so let's use this and let's just save it. Okay, so let's come to our web page. We already have a background color. Okay, so let's just say we want to remember, note that we are differentiating each of the tags we are writing with this semicolon. Okay, as we finish writing color, okay, as we finish declaring color, we added the semicolon. Okay, as we finish declaring this background color, okay, we also added the semicolon here. So we want to declare, let's say we want to declare a padding. Okay, we want to add a padding. So you can see here how close this is to this place, right? Good. So we want to add a padding. We want to add a padding to everything. Okay, so we want to say padding should be, let's say 8px. Okay, so 8px. So let's save it. Okay, and let's come back to our browser. We have added it. Can you see that the spaces has improved? Okay, good. So what else can we add to this particular text now? Okay, let's say we want to add let's say fonts. Okay, we want to add our font size to it. Okay, our font size. Okay, we want to add our font size. Let's put a hyphen in between our font size. We want to make our font size like maybe, let's say 50px. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, and let's come back to, and we see now. So we have started styling it already. Okay, I started styling it already. So let's return the font size to, let's say 15. Let's return it to 15 and let's save it. Okay, so yeah, we are back here. Okay, so we want to add a semicolon. Okay, let's say we want to add a text align to be center. Okay, so let's save it and come back. Good. So we have aligned this center. Okay, so we have started styling our elements using the inline styling. Okay, let me break this so that we can see it properly on one view. On one view, let me break it here. Okay, so you can see that we have used an inline styling. Okay, so we have styled it on the same line there. We opened our styled attribute, we gave it color, we gave it background color, we gave it padding, we gave it font, then we aligned the text. Okay, good. So that's what inline styling is all about. It's about styling your elements right there on the same line. Okay, so do well to practice this. Use other styling properties to, you know, give colors to your elements, or make your elements, you know, more stylish. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Do well to like, comment and share.